Hi guys, Cammy Kittens here, and today we're actually playing the last level of Angry Birds. And yes, it is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. June 13th, my special day. 2 more years. It's gonna be on Friday, if you know what I mean. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so anyways, warning, this is a spoiler of Angry Birds Epic since it's the last level. So if you don't want to, if you are playing this game and you don't want to see what happens at the end because you want to be surprised, then I suggest watching my other videos. Okay guys, I got all my potions, all my stuff to defeat this guy, even though he's more powerful than me, but I know that I'm gonna do great. Also, I have a special thing, wink wink, a special thing that's gonna defeat with Pig. But I probably should not 100% use it, then it looks lazy. Anyways. There. Oof. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Well, let's use this. Let's see. Let's aim, so every time they attack him, they'll lose damage. Wait, what the? And use everyone to heal. That's not really working. I really want to use it so bad, but okay guys, power just seems a little lazy, but I have to use it. Sure. Yes. Now we're on the last level. Yes, and that was the Mighty Eagle's favorite dish. Oh, I know this part. It's gonna turn into Bendy's father. So anyways, let's continue beating this guy up. Oh yes, I love this part. Yeah, but this is gonna be very hard. But I wanna use everyone's attack skills first. Hey guys, I know this seems like super lazy, but I guess I have to. There, I know that was hecka lazy, but I finally did it. This is the happiest day of my life. I finally did it after all these years. I'm about to cry, guys. Oh my god. I actually beat this level. I know I did it like in a very lazy way, but I did it. Happy birthday to me, guys, because it was my birthday. I guess this is my birthday present. Winning at Angry Birds Epic. I cannot believe this happened to me, even though I did a hecka lazy way. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'll take every screenshot of it. There you go. What a happy ending. Oh my god, I'm about to cry. Oh, I played this game for so long. I finally beat him. Oh my god, I'm seriously about to cry right now. Oh my god. Well, I know I wasted my Mighty Eagle's favorite dish, but at least it was worth it. It was the last level, and I know it was lazy to just attack once and then just I know that was heck lazy, but I will probably fight him again, like do the last level again because I can. But that was such a beautiful story. I love this game and I cannot believe this is happening. Oh yeah, and I unlocked something. Oh, this is awesome. Oh yeah, the dark caves. Oh yeah, this part too, I forgot. Oh, this is so happy. What a happy ending. Yes, and I finally unlocked that cave. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video of me defeating this pig, and this is the happiest day of my life because it's my birthday and I finally defeated Pig. I'm about to cry, oh my god. Ooh. Well, anyways guys, thank you for watching. This is such a happy ending and I'm very happy. Also, I'm happy of all of this. All of us, I know that we will forever stick together as this channel will still be alive. Make sure my channel stays strong no matter what. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to join us, I guess, at IDK. Well, I am working on a meme, but that'll come soon. Anyways, I can't believe this is happening. I'm like, this is the happiest day of my life. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna play this. So, thank you for watching. Bye. And happy birthday to me. And what? Parents are shrink this cake. No damage to all birds. Try to keep your balance. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.